Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the accessibility section, additional settings, then accessibility, then vision, TalkBack, then enable TalkBack. After that, TalkBack tutorial starts.
Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficult. Close button. Close tutorial. Close button. Double tap to.
So as you can see, after it starts, it talks non-stop. If you want to disable it, you can press and hold volume plus and volume minus. And you can also disable that here by double tapping on it.
TalkBack off.
And that's how you can disable this feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.